Somewhere in your company there's a spreadsheet like this one, hundreds of test cases, and before every release, someone runs them by hand. Automating this used to mean months of scripting, a framework, selectors, CI pipelines, and someone to maintain all of it. Here's the new way. Watch closely, because this is the entire process. Step 1. Import. Take your spreadsheet, export it as a CSV, and drop it in. That's it. Every row becomes a test case. Folders, priorities, tags, all preserved. And look at what a test is here, not code, your steps. In plain English, exactly as you wrote them in the spreadsheet. If a teammate can read it, O2 can run it. Step 2. Run. Pick an environment, choose how many agents, each one is a real browser in the cloud, and go. Notice what we didn't do. No grid, no runners, nothing installed. Now the agents take over. They read each step, drive a real browser, and verify the result, the same way your manual tester would. Except there are several of them working in parallel and they don't get bored. Minutes later, results, scored, with evidence at every step. And this one, failed, good. That's a real bug, caught by a test that was sitting in a spreadsheet an hour ago. Step 3. And this is the part manual testing could never do. Schedule it, nightly, post-deploy, whenever. Your spreadsheet now runs itself, forever, with zero maintenance. So, import, run, schedule. No scripts written, no infrastructure to maintain. One flat price per agent, unlimited runs. Your spreadsheet's ready. Go set it free.